Hey everybody, and welcome to Joe's BBQ House and Review. Today I'm going to do an open box on this marshydro SP-250 LED grow light. marshydro reached out to me and asked me if I'd do a review on one of their lights, and I said absolutely. So I'll continue running videos and I'm going to share with you guys how this light performs. Over here, I'm going to replace this Bright 6-tube 4-foot light fixture. It has 6 T5 bulbs in there, as you guys know. And we're going to replace that with this light. So let's see if I see any improvements on my bubble gun here. Now, I do have a couple pods growing on here, but that's all I'm getting. I'm getting a lot of flowers. I'm getting flower drops. I just don't think it's getting enough lighting. And as you can see, I got my black curtain there. That's not helping at all. For right now, I want to see if there's any improvements with this light, because eventually all the stuff in this grow room is going to go into the basement. I'm in the process of getting it ready to put these plants down there so I could give these plants a better environment. So let's go ahead and get this box open and let's see what we have. So far it's very well packed. Okay, right out of the box, you're going to receive your adjustable ratchet hangers. Go ahead and remove the real dense foam packing here, which is really nice, as you guys can see here. Okay, let's go ahead and get this light out of here. Also want to show you guys, this is actually kind of neat. I don't know if this is, I don't know, that's some pretty decent wood there for packing. I like that. There's nothing to do with the light, but it's part of their packing to make the shipping box more rigid. Here's your warranty card. Here's some more information on the light here. And again, guys, this is the SP-250 LED light bulb. Yeah, this light has some weight to it, but wow, it's very sturdy. Very nice, nicely built. The structure is solid. So far, I'm really liking it. Okay, I'd like to give you guys a close-up on the cooling fins on this light. There's your power supply. And this here is a 4-foot light. Let's go ahead and roll it around. I'll show you guys the LED panel here. Okay. Let's make sure I show you, get a close up on the transformer here. Focus in, there you go. Okay, so what I like to do, I'm going to put these foam pads that came in our packing. I'm going to go ahead and, I already have the adjustable ratchet hangers here already installed. But we're going to go ahead and set these aside. And we're going to take these clips here. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get these installed. And I believe that's how they're going to go. You're going to clip it in here and clip one on this side. And that's going to hang it from that point. We'll go ahead and do the other side, just like that. And that should hold it very well, nice and sturdy. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and remove this light. I'm going to replace it with this light, and we shall return. I don't know if you guys can see, but these things have some weight to them. And this thing here, it's got a little bit of weight, but I don't have a scale to measure it for you, but I'm here to tell you that these things got some weight. But I do like these fixtures. They've been doing my plants very well, as you guys seen in the past videos. But we're going to see if this one's going to make an improvement. Okay. Okay, come over here and hang the other side. Hopefully I'm going to get the coverage I need, but we'll see. Not a big deal so far. I like how slim it is. As you can see, it's not taking up all this room here as one of those will. Okay, now what we're going to do here. Oh, and I'd like to add something here, okay? I could take this ballast and I can unbolt it from here and I can move it. So you can see they give you plenty of room here. Like if you had it in a tent or something, you would definitely want to mount this outside or outside the tent because, you know, it just builds heat. Other than that, you can unscrew this and move it and mount it somewhere else. Here it's fine, it's in an open area, I'm not worried about it. Let's go ahead and get this baby plugged in and see how she does. Okay everybody, I got to interrupt this video to show you guys marshydro website. And here, as you can see, this is the same light that I've been reviewing in this video. A couple things I didn't mention is, yes, you do get the ratchet hangers. I did not receive the steel hangers in my kit. Maybe that was with the old SP-200 or whatnot, but I did not receive these. And also this driver is dimmable. I did forget to mention that this LED driver is dimmable, and I have not messed with it yet, but I will here shortly and get a video on there. And also just to let you guys know, I was correct. This is a 5,000 Kelvin rated light. You guys here can pause this video at any time so you can look at all the schematics. And but other than that, guys, just keep in mind this is not waterproof. I would not recommend, you know, having any kind of, maybe water resistant, you know, not waterproof. Do not let water hit your light. It's common sense. But either way, guys, just want to update you guys here and show you that, you know, so far it's been about 3 hours into since I plugged this light in, and it's nice. It's actually really nice. So here's the price of it. It's $259. I guess you got all kinds of different kind of shipping options here. Alright guys, so go ahead and check out marshydro if you're interested in this light, or you can follow my channel and I will definitely give updated reviews, what I think it's, you know, comparison with the Algebrite T5s with versus this SP-250. Guys, like I said, you can pause this video at any time. You can check out all the schematics on it. But so far I really like it. I like the design. I like how small it is. I like how the light that it projects. Let me go ahead and run it over the top here, so it's out the way. Get the extension cord here. And voila. Okay, I'd also like to mention, you could take this apart here, so you could run this cord, because as you can see, it's all part of the unit. You would detach it here, and you would run it through one of your ports out of your tent, or wherever you want to run it to, and reconnect it. Okay, I did cover, they claimed it's waterproof, and also this thing has no fans. That's good. Doesn't produce a lot of heat. If I had my heat gun, I'll do a heat test, but one of these days I'll do that, because I'm going to keep this light here while it's in this room, or I should say, I started growing this plant here. This is the Pepper Joe bubblegum. I've been growing since December 7th of 2019. Okay, and this is my bubblegum from Pepper Joe. As you can see, she is massive. I mean, pretty much all these, the Trinidad Scorpion behind me, the Carolina Reaper, they're all doing great. I just don't feel that I'm getting the pods that I need. I'm not getting many pods, so I'm hoping that this light is going to make a difference. It looks nice. I really like the design of it. And if I like it, I'll end up buying some. Not a problem. I'm liking the setup. But like I said before, guys, I'm moving this grow into my basement where I could give it a much better environment. It'll all be white all around. Trust, if you guys see my grow room, you'll understand that I like to keep everything very nice. But okay guys, there's your open box review on the marshydro SP-250 LED light. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for future videos on this particular light, and I'm going to record, document how this plant is doing, and if I'm seeing more buds or whatnot. And maybe hopefully in the next couple months I could be completely moved down in my basement where I'll have plenty of room for lighting, plenty of room to spread my grow. So hey guys, if you like what you saw, please hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel to see future updates. Also comment below what you think about this open box review on the marshydro SP-250. And I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks and have a great day.